will repeat my normal mantra in the beginning. Makita, generally, when it comes to giving you more bang for your buck when it comes to amp hours on batteries during the holidays, they do a great job with that. Let's start at some of the first deals we're seeing here, because they're two of my favorites already. We have Xlock grinders. Now, here's the deal. If you don't know about Xlock grinder and how it actually can make you more productive and save you a whole bunch of money on the job site, go to this video right here. Go and check it out. But you're going to watch all this first. Here's the deal. They're giving you a free 4 amp hour battery and a charger when you buy one of their Xlock grinders. And I'm going to tell you this much right now. The Xlock grinder, although it is not my main battery platform from Makita, rides on my truck every day with the rest of my tools because I can do multiple tasks with that grinder within seconds. I could go from using a wire wheel cup to a cutting disc to a grinding disc using Xlock. I like it a lot. I think they're a great price at $189 and $199. They're giving you the battery, they're giving you the charger. Here's the deal. Listen, if it's not your main battery platform, or if you're getting someone started, this could be, and they're a metal worker or they're going to be using a grinder a lot, this could be your starting point for them or yourself. They're also offering a 3-pack of diamond blades, okay, variety at $29.88. You can see all the multi-materials you can cut. Also in store, we're starting to see more XGT. That means that in addition to getting their 18-volt tools, the LXT line, you're now able to get more of those 40-volt tools as well from the XGT platform. And they're offering outdoor power. You can see they have their chainsaw here. It's coming with a 5 amp hour battery. You're getting that 18-inch chainsaw. Here's the deal, what a lot of people might not realize. Because it's double the voltage of an 18-volt tool, you might think, oh, I'm only getting a 5 amp hour battery. The total watts out on that battery pack would be equivalent to a 10 amp hour battery if you were getting it on an 18-volt platform, if that makes any sense. You get a significant amount of runtime with that battery. You also have a blower option here. It's coming a 4 amp hour battery at $439. You have their top of the line 40-volt hammer drill and impact driver. They're coming with, it says 2.5 amp hour batteries, but they would be equivalent to a 5 amp hour battery. I probably should do a whole standalone video on the difference of a 40-volt versus an 18-volt to make it make more sense for people that are shopping during this holiday season. Because I know all of you are in the know about how all this works, but you might forward this video to a loved one so they can make an informed choice and get you the tools that you want this holiday season. Here's the deal. If you want a standalone video talking about the difference in total watts out of a battery pack, let me know and I will do that. These are highly reliable tools. Makita offers a lot of functions, a lot of features. They're not always the most powerful, but they're a good quality tool that'll last you a whole bunch of years. They have a 60-piece impact rated XPS bit set at $20. Everybody knows that I actually love these bits. Now, here's the deal. As they roll out these kits, you might see some other additional kits for the holidays. You might be able to save a couple dollars and a few cents per piece. But if you wanted to see the Just the Tip challenge, you take Just the Tip challenge, go to this video right here. You'll see all about those XPS bits and how they function. They have a battery deal, $99 for a 2 amp hour LXT. These are the 18-volt. We're back to 18-volt tools at this point. I hope it doesn't get too confusing. They have some deals on their subcompact tools. They have their 6.5-inch search saw at $189. This is their subcompact brushless Starlock Max oscillating multi-tool. We have a video. I feel like I'm using up all my cards like right away. Sorry to everybody, but gotta go here. You can see how vibration free that tool is. It's going to help you to make more precise cuts, and it will offer less fatigue. And for their price conscious entry point into the platform for the homeowners, DIYers, or people that are buying it for their loved ones or kids, They have their subcompact, this is their brushless drill driver and impact driver kits. Come with 2.5 amp batteries at $169. A lot of value there. For $199, you can get a 2-pack of 6 amp hour batteries from Makita. You have 2 choices of kits that will offer you a free bare tool or accessory. You can go with their battery starter kit, 2 5 amp hour batteries, charger in a bag at $199. You can see it here. Or you can get their top of the line LXT hammer drill impact driver combo, batteries, charger in a bag at $399. Now here's the thing. I know some of you will say, you know, Vince, you said that the 40 volt platform is the top of the line. That is in their 40 volt platform, but in 18 volts, this is their top of the line cordless combo at $399. I will let everybody know that in testing, there were instances where those 18 volt tools outperformed their 40 volt tools. And I would be confident in telling you that this would be a good choice over the 40 volts. The only thing we have to be concerned with is that how long will they actually be building upon this LXT platform? How long will they service it? I don't, you know, that would be my only concern. I think that the 40 volt platform is probably more future proof. The other thing is that when you buy into the 40 volt platform, you're giving yourself the ability to run those 40 volt batteries with larger tools like cutoff saws, breakers. You have the ability, that cross platform compatibility. So you have to just know where you're going to be with the platforms as you buy them. Now, with all that being said, I'm sorry I got off on a tangent. These are your free bare tool options. You have a 5 amp hour battery. You have their square drive ratchet or their 1/4 inch 3/8 ratchet. Brushless jigsaw. You got the recip saw, their brushless blower, oscillating multi-tool, 6.5 inch circ saw, and their brushless 4.5, 5 inch grinder. Now here's the deal on that. The grinder, I don't know. I don't think that is Xlock they're offering. I will tell you that oscillating multi-tool is long in the tooth, but that doesn't make it bad. It is just a little bit older and a little bit bigger. It is still very vibration free. So I think that wouldn't be a bad option as well. I would just like if this was Xlock. I don't know that it is. They have their rear handle circ saw. It does take 2 18 volt batteries to run this saw. Here's the deal though. They're giving you the saw, the batteries, and a dual charger in a bag at $299. This is a good saw. Okay, this is one of those things where if you wanted a rear handle saw, you might go off your main platform and go with the Makita. Now, for the holidays, they're doing an additional 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries. This way, you'll run out these batteries, you put them on the charger, you throw these batteries on, you go back to work. I like that. I think there's a lot of value in that saw kit. But that's me.